Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi and hello everybody, this is Dr. CraZy Science back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Batman car. For this project you'll be needing an A4 sheet. Now first you need to fold it like this. Take a A4 sheet and fold it like this and crease it well. Once you have creased it like this, the crease should be perfect, and once you have creased, choose the side and do it, make a mark like this, or make a right angle like this. Do it like this, crease it again. The crease should be good to get the best result. Then turn the other side and do the same. Do the same on the other side also. As you can see, I have did both sides. You have to take it like this and make it flat. Before that, it won't come unless you crease it very well. Just crease it very well. Once you have got that, now it will come. You have to fold it like this, and then you have to press this down to get a flap like this. And the flap also should be neat like this. Then you have to do the same thing on the other side also. I'll do and I'll be back with you. And guys, I have did both the sides. And also guys, I have made a video on how to make Benton Omnitrix. I'll put the link in the description and the card on top. And also I'll show you how to make the airplane. I'll put that link also in the description. You can also check that. Once you have got this, you have to take this piece and then fold it like this, which is similar to the Benton watch. Then do the same on the other side also. So once you have this, you have to have a shape like this. Choose any side and fold it like an airplane, like the one which you made. Fold it like this and crease it, and do the same on the other side. Once you have like this, a thing like this, open flap with a closed modified flap, you need to fold it like this and take the side, fold it like this and open this flap and insert it inside this. To show it. For that, I think it's better to fold it and insert it. With the crease done, then we need to take this piece and insert it inside this flap, inside this, and take the other one and insert it inside this. And that's the car. And guys, and once you have inserted that, you take the behind piece and make a mark like this to make it as a spoiler. And guys, this is a car. Please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.